this is Omega 116, and I'm going to be reading you my science research paper. Simple geology. What are igneous rocks made of? Igneous rocks, from the Latin word for fire, form when hot molten rocks crystallize and solidify. The magma originates deep within the earth near the active plate boundaries or hot spots, then rise towards the surface. What is lava made of? Lava is made up of crystals, volcanic glass, and bubbles. Volcanic gases. As magma gets closer to the surface and cools, it begins to crystallize. Minerals like olivine make crystals very fast. Therefore, olivine is visible in lava. When lava erupts, it is made of microscopic minerals and bubbles. The liquid solidifies to form volcanic glass called obsidian. What types of rocks form when lava cools after a volcanic eruption? Extrusive rocks include basalt, rhyolite, andesite, and obsidian found on the surface. Intrusive rocks or plutonic igneous rocks form when magma cools slowly below the Earth's surface. And a sample of one of the rocks is granite. Lava becomes different extrusive rocks because of the way they cool. What is lava stone made of? Lava stone derives from magma, extremely hot molten rock from deep in the earth. It is expelled from the Earth's crust when it is heated to extremely high temperatures by geothermal energy. What does lava rocks have? Does lava rocks have minerals? They are not only rich in the elements like magnesium and iron, but also in calcium. They also constitute numerous minerals, including magnetite, pyroxene. I can't say this one, sorry. Plagglass, hornblende, olivine, quartz, biotite, and mica. And here. Those are. What is lava made of? Lava is made of minerals. Obsidian is called volcanic glass. Pumice is made of volcanic gases and minerals. Pumice has so many gas bubbles that it floats. Chemical lava is made of these elements: silicon, oxygen, aluminum, iron, and magnesium. Calcium, sodium, potassium, phosphorus, and titanium. The pronunciations might be wrong. I'm sorry. Plus other elements in very small concentrations. Most are invisible. Okay, I'm just gonna skip. What are sedimentary rocks? Sedimentary rocks are types of rock that are formed by the accumulation of deposition of minerals or organic particles at the Earth's surface, followed by sedimentation. Sedimentary rocks is the collective name for processes that cause these to settle in place. What are sedimentary rocks made of? sedimentary rocks are formed from pre-existing rocks or pieces of once living organisms. They are formed from deposits that accumulate. Rocks often have a distinctive layering or bedding. Many fossils are trapped in sedimentary rocks. Sedimentary rocks are formed on or near the Earth's surface. In contrast, metamorphic rocks and intrusive igneous rocks, which are formed deep within the Earth. The most important geological processes that lead to the creation of sedimentary rocks are erosion, weathering, dissolution, precipitation, and this is a hard one. Lithication. Lithication. How to identify sedimentary rocks? One way you can tell is if it's made up from particles or organic materials. Some samples of sedimentary rocks include limestone, sandstone, coal, and shale. What are the textures of sedimentary rock? Thus, there's two textures of sedimentary rock. Includes clastic and non-clastic. A. Clastic. Sandstone. Silt. Shale. Breccia. Mudstone. B. Non-clastic. Coal. Fossiliciferous limestone. Rock salt, dolomite, chert, flint, and silica. Where are sedimentary rocks most commonly found? Non-clastic sedimentary rocks can be found in many places, from ocean to deserts to caves. For instance, most limestone forms at the bottom of the ocean from the precipitation of calcium carbonate and the remains of marine animals with shells. What gems are found in sedimentary rocks? Beryl, opal, quartz, turquoise, malachite. These are, I'm going to have to skip two. Is salt sedimentary rock? Rock salt is a chemical sedimentary rock that forms by the evaporation of water, usually seawater, and the precipitation of dissolved minerals. So you're eating sedimentary rock. And also it's rock salt that you put out on your driveway for snow. How to tell if a rock is sedimentary or metamorphic. The third type of rocks is metamorphic. Metamorphic rocks form... I just read something I didn't need to. Sorry. Metamorphic rocks formed from the other rocks that are changed by heat and pressure in underground. What are the textures of metamorphic rocks? They are foliated and non-foliated. Here's examples. Foliated: gneiss, schist, and slate. Parent material: granite is for the parent material for gneiss. Schist's parent material is phyllite and slate. Slate's parent material is shale. It's a lot. if you put a little heat, a little more heat on a metamorphic rock, it will change. The change is basically infinite. Okay, non-foliated marble, parent material limestone. Non-foliated quartzite, parent material sand. Where are metamorphic rocks most commonly found? They are made deeper in the Earth's crust than erosion or uplift has exposed them to the surface. Glaciers brought them to Indiana from northern regions. Rivers and weathering exposed them. What are minerals and metamorphic rocks? 1. Quartzite. 2. Mica. 3. Feldspar. 4. Hornblende. 5. Garnet. 6. Fyalusite. I have presented the 3 types of rocks and textures of each type. My collection includes all of these textures, and I am happy to share them with you. Geology is fun. That might seem a lot to you. It is, but once you get to know the rocks and if you want to learn about them, that is great. Some of the words you have to hear pronounced, and it's really hard for you to read. I would recommend getting this book. It says Rocks and Minerals, Simon and Schutter's Guide to Rocks and Minerals, and Handbook of Rocks and Minerals and Gemstones by Walter Schutterman. I'm going to stop this video, and then I'm going to have a recording of all my rocks of sedimentary, igneous, and metamorphic.